Chima, and today I'll be discussing, or rather solving, the very classic problem, FizzBuzz, Leetcode number 412. Okay, so for this problem, we're given an integer n, and our goal is to return a string array that's one indexed where answer I is FizzBuzz if the index is divisible by 3 and 5. If the index is divisible by 3, the value at that index would be fizz. If the index is divisible by 5, answer should be buzz. The index is not divisible by 3 or 5. As here it says if none of the above conditions are true, then it should just be I, where I is the current index or the numerical value of the index. Right. So for example here we have n equals 3. And we want to return the first three elements in the array, or the first three numbers from 1 to 3, respective to the rules that were given here. So we know that 1 is not divisible by 3 or 5, so we just return 1 here. We know 2 is not divisible by 3 or 5, so we just put 2 here. We know 3 is divisible by 3. So in this index 3, we put 3 there, right? So technically in an array this will be index 2, but it's very important to note that for this problem, we're one indexed. Our array is one index, meaning that the first index is actually going to be denoted as being 1 rather than the conventional 0, right? So let's start by solving this problem. So since we're one indexed, what we can do is that we can have a for loop that iterates starting from 1 to n plus 1, right? Because we want to get that last n element, or that last n a number, and we can create an array to store all of our values here. So let's go about doing that. So, and the value is going to be based on the rules we're given, right? So if the number that we're on while we're iterating through, 1 to n plus 1, if that's divisible by 3 and 5, we'll put FizzBuzz into the array, etc. So let's go ahead and do this. So we're going to have a result array. I'm going to go for I in range 1 to n plus 1. I'm going to say if I mod 5 equals 0 and I mod 3 equals 0, result to add FizzBuzz, or not add, append FizzBuzz. If I mod 5 equals 0, result to append fizz. If I mod 3 equals 0, append buzz. And I'm actually going to change these to elif statements, right? So it's like a chain of decisions. Then if none of these three conditions hit, what we need to do is just append the current index to our array. But it's also noteworthy that says that we have to append it as a string, right? So we just need to do str of this, right? That's n, just return result. See how that runs. Okay. Oh, did I do it the other way? Okay, so if I is divisible by 3, we put fizz. Yeah, that's what I did incorrectly. Okay. There we go.